In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Jira issues in Confluence and verify the integration. We'll walk through how to display Jira issues directly on a Confluence page and make sure everything is connected properly. This is perfect for status reports, documentation, and project updates because it keeps everyone aligned without switching tabs. First, open your Atlassian site where both Confluence and Jira are available. Make sure you're in the correct site, especially if your organization has multiple. A quick way to double check is to use the app switcher in the top navigation and confirm you can move between Confluence and Jira without being redirected somewhere unexpected. Next, confirm that Confluence and Jira are connected to the same workspace. In most cloud setups, this is already in place, but it's important that both apps live under the same site so the integration can pull in data. If you're unsure, look for consistent branding, the same site URL pattern, and access to the same projects and spaces. If something looks off, contact your admin to confirm your access and app connections. Now, open a Confluence page where you want the Jira information to appear. You can use an existing page or create a new one. Click Edit to enter the editor so you can add content. To bring in Jira content, you have two options. The quickest is to paste a direct link to a Jira issue right into the page. Confluence will automatically convert it into a smart embed that shows the issue, key, summary, status, and other details. If you want more control, insert the Jira macro from the editor. Search for Jira in the Insert menu and choose the macro to open a panel where you can search for issues, filters, or projects. Choose exactly what you want to show, a single Jira issue, a saved filter, or a project or JQL query that returns a list. You can usually adjust column sorting and how many results display. Keep the view concise so readers can quickly scan for what matters most. When you're happy with how it looks, publish the page. The embedded Jira content will remain dynamic, so as issues update in Jira, the Confluence view stays current. Finally, verify the integration by opening a Jira item from Confluence. Click the embedded issue or a row in the table to open it in Jira. If it opens correctly and you can see the details, your integration is working. If you hit a permission prompt or can't load the issue, check that you have access and that both apps are truly on the same site. That's it. Your Jira data is now live in Confluence and ready to share.